In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable search suggestions in Perplexity AI, ensuring a more streamlined and distraction-free searching experience. Whether you're new to Perplexity AI or just looking to tailor the platform to better suit your needs, disabling search suggestions can be a great way to keep your workflow clean and focused. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's open Perplexity AI. To do this, simply navigate to your preferred browser and type in perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you've previously set up an account, you'll know this part is straightforward. Just ensure that you're using the correct login details to access the full range of functionalities that Perplexity AI offers. Next, we need to access the Preferences section. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see an icon. It might be your profile picture if you've set one already, or you'll see your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. Click on this and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select Preferences. This section acts as the central hub for customizing your Perplexity AI experience, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it to take full advantage of what the platform offers. Now that you're in Preferences, you'll want to find the Search Suggestions option. This setting relates directly to the control of the Auto Suggest feature in the search bar, which can sometimes be distracting if you prefer a minimalistic interface. Take your time to look around the Preferences page if you're not immediately familiar with it, as it can contain a number of useful options to tweak. Once you've located the Search Suggestions option, it's time to toggle it off. All it takes is a simple click to switch it from on to off. By turning this feature off, you're ensuring that auto-suggestions will no longer appear in your search bar, thereby allowing you to type in queries without automatic prompts, perfect for when you want to zero in on exactly what you're searching for without interference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the search suggestions on Perplexity AI, paving the way for a cleaner, more user-focused experience. Remember, these settings are easily adjustable, so feel free to return to Preferences anytime you want to make further adjustments, or if you decide to turn the feature back on at a later date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your time on Perplexity AI. Happy searching!